Vincent, I don't even know who I am anymore. My scapula is slipping. I need my inhaler. I really need Jimmy's mom. But Vincent makes me so happy. And look at this. He's so much better looking than I am. That's not a very high bar. Look at my shirt. Look at Vincent. Wow. And now Vincent has monkeypox. Yeah, surprise. Surprise.